The pepper and your onion. I don't blend it too much. I used to blend it just like that. I don't want to blend it too, maybe like puree, but you see that now? It's blend, okay? So now I'm gonna put that's right. So now I wanna take my cassava leaf and my peanut butter. So you see, this is my peanut butter here. This is my cassava leaf. So I'm gonna open the bag. So I'm gonna turn the cassava leaf in.
And it up together.
So I wanna put a little water in there because it looks dry.